Hey everybody, so I got a quick mail call to do. It's kind of a mail call slash just sticker video. I purchased the stickers, but please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Hey everybody, so I wanted to give a shout out. Grab this real quick. And this is going to be a mail call video. I paid for these stickers. I'm doing it as a mail call because I want to give a shout out to the reason why and the person that I got the stickers from. I got them from Teespring. I got them from Joel from the Snap-on Tool Review channel on YouTube. He's a great guy. He was doing a some sticker sales, trying to help for a charity, if I remember the video correctly. I'll probably try to link the video up here. I don't know if that is still going on, but it was for relief for COVID-19, and I believe it was for whatever charity I think the viewers chose. And there was a bunch more to the video, but I bought some stickers, and the reason I'm doing this as a mail call is because I've bought some stickers from Joel before. He's a great guy. He's got some pretty neat stickers. There's this sticker down here that I got a while back, Snap-on Tool Review, and then the sticker right here, Snap-on Tool Review. It's just instead of that one being a blank background, this is an actual sticker with a background. He's a great guy. I wanted to support the cause, you know, whatever the money goes to, whatever charity it is, it just wanted to help. So, this sticker was in this one. I thought it was a neat sticker, and it says 20 millimeter. And it says, "Keep your dirty hands off my tools." And it says, "In the wrench, fuck off." And then COVID-19. I thought it was an awesome sticker. I didn't get the really big one. I think this was the small one that they had. I think it's a really good thought out sticker. And the money I paid for it goes to charity. The second sticker I bought was because I think it was his newest logo. I don't remember. These have been sitting here for a couple days, but I think I ordered these like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. I actually forgot about them. And then they showed up, and I'm like, oh yeah, I think I know what those are for. And I don't normally do mail calls and stickers that I buy. I've done it a few times. And I think this is the smallest one he had for this sticker. But it says the Snap-on Tool Review, and instead of the word, the complete word is out there, it's actually abbreviated. The SO Tool Review. Established 2016. It kind of reminded me of JRC54 Jim, and I'll put a card up here for Jim for his channel. His channel logo is similar to this with the skull and the wrenches, and it also reminds me of Rust Belt Mechanics channel, and I'll put a card up here for Rust Belt Mechanics channel as well. Both of those guys have skull and crossbones. Rust Belts has sunglasses on, and it says Rust Belt Mechanic in the sunglasses. Joel's a good guy. I will link Joel's channel in the video, probably at the very beginning of the video or somewhere in here. But It's a very nice sticker. I like the new sticker design. It came out really nice. Man, he's got a gnarly beard. But appreciate what you're doing, Joel. And hopefully the stickers I bought help somebody. And appreciate everybody's time. Appreciate you guys watching. If you can donate to Joel's channel to help for COVID-19, or whatever the funds go to, I'm not sure. It's supposed to be a charity of, I think, the viewer's choice, as well as it's supposed to be to help either a business or whatever that company is going to give the money to. It's supposed to help for COVID-19. I'm not sure exactly what. Could be to help pay a certain company's employees to keep, doing their job. I don't know, but I thought, the stickers aren't cheap. I don't remember. I think they were like $7 or $8. They could have been cheaper. I don't remember. But to me, it was worth it. It's my way of giving back. And, I also have businesses to run, and, I can't just give all my money away. I have a family to feed. So, I did what I could at the moment. If there's any other things that pop up, I think he had shirts with this sticker on it, and hats with this sticker design on it, I think, as well. If you can help, I'll post the links in the description below. Excuse me. And I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.